So these FPV receivers are cheap, they work, but this component can fall off pretty easily. Specifically, if you want to take these and make them a bit better, you're just going to dump a little bit of E6000.
But wait, what is E6000? This is E6000. It's the greatest little glue paste thing, kind of like a consistency of shoe goo. And when your drones break or you want to waterproof them or anything, you crack a whoop, you stick some E6000, you stick it back together, you let it sit till the next day, and then boom, you're good to go. It's an amazing product. And if you're new and still learning all these things, or even if you're not new and you want, oh, I never thought of using one of those, at the end of this video, I'm going to link you to my shopping video where you get to come personal shopping with me and I'll show you a whole pile of nice stuff. Affiliate link below. I'll get a whole 10 cents. So please remember to use that link. And what you can also do is buy other things. Buy a TV, buy a new wife. I don't know. Okay.
On both sides, and that's going to make it way stronger. And you can do this on like all your electronics. Oh my god. So if you want to get away with buying cheap products like this FPV receiver, it is, I think, the cheapest one out there. The components are put on cheaply. You want to make it last forever. All you need to do is take some E6000 and apply it specifically on this component. That will just, yeah, oh my goodness, this stuff's just coming out, huh? Oh, paper towel. Do I have some paper towel? This is like gooping out. You don't want to put it over the boot pad. Okay, let's just try doing this. Usually it's just coming out on its own, man. Okay, I think I got enough on both sides. Another thing you can use, instead of the cap, you can just take a little Q-tip, one of these. Or you know what, I got a cord here. I just got a broken cord. So I can just use this as a little applicator and just spread it along the board without covering the connectors. You know what, I'm just gonna use, this is gonna be better. Can you feel that energy? We got some on everything, and we're just taking the excess off because we don't need that much. And for the other side, same thing. Oh, that's on pretty nice actually. You can still move the antenna around, and most of the components are protected. It's nice, they're like waterproofed and stuff. I'm just grabbing the excess off the edge. And now I'm gonna just let that sit for like half an hour, and then we can attach it to the drone, and we're gonna get range for days. Can you feel that energy?